Using a camera to present the perceptual process, example, witnessing a crime. Step 1, Lens, Input. This represents the eyes of the witness, which capture visual information of the crime scene. Step 2, Sensor, Sensory receptors. Inside the camera, the sensor converts light into electronic signals. In this context, sensory receptors in the witness's retina convert light from the crime scene into neural signals. Step 3, Processor, Brain. The processor in the camera processes electronic signals to form a digital image. Similarly, the brain processes neural signals received from sensory receptors to interpret and make sense of the visual information of the crime scene. Step 4, Memory Card, Perceptual Memory. The memory card stores the digital image for future reference. Just as memory cards in cameras can malfunction or become corrupted, the witness's memory can be influenced by factors such as stress, bias, or time, potentially leading to inaccuracies or errors in recalling details. Step 5, Display, Perception. The display on the camera shows the processed image. In the witness's perceptual process, this stage corresponds to perception of the crime scene, where the brain constructs a coherent representation of what was witnessed based on stored knowledge and context.